And Mr. Newby, how do you think the current national environment in terms of the stewardship of the Labour Party government will translate into your efforts in that regard?
Well, I can say to you that from poll results that I have certainly seen, the Prime Minister, Dr. the Honorable Andrew Michael Holness, leads his contender by substantial numbers in Northwest Ireland. They are also knowledgeable of this. So I know people in this constituency have seen the work of the Labour Party, respect how the Prime Minister has conducted himself and how he has managed the business of Jamaica, and they are willing to see him to a third term. Now, where the disconnect exists is whether or not the candidacy that has been put forward meets that threshold. And as I've said before, it is my duty to go to every door and to every classroom to explain my positions and to win favor with the people here.
I can imagine two of your top priorities, water, roads. But I can imagine a voter will tell you when you come to their doorstep, we've heard this all before, and not much has changed. How do you change that mindset?
Well, currently, there are three major road projects on the way in the